Welcome back. The working president of the GPCC, Francisco Sardinha, said that party would seek clarification from Luisino Falero on an allegation by Churchill Alemão. Churchill had earlier accused Falero of working against him in Naveli. Sardinha said Congress won't hesitate to accommodate MGP in the government after this election.
I पेपराचेर वाचलां ते आतां फालेरान डिनाय केलां होय पूण तर आसतना आमी फालेराको उलयतलेत बाबा नॉट इन अ गुड टेस्ट जोरी तर करता जायत आमी रिक्वेस्ट करून बंद करपाक जाय बिकॉज ही इज अ पार्टी कैंडिडेट इवन इफ यू हैव डिफरेंसेस यू हैव टू bury.
In reply to media's question, Francisco Sardinha said that Congress won't hesitate to accommodate MGP in the government. State Congress Working President also reiterated party's stand on MOI, saying government has acted as per wishes of parents. Sardinha says party would take action against those who claim themselves to be congressmen and have declared their support to BJP in Porvorim.
Your colleagues had asked me whether if you all need MGP, whether their help will be taken. If they are come on our side, if they give us support, we will not hesitate. We want people to choose the language for their children out of conviction, out of love, and not compulsion because they don't have money in their pocket. Somebody is sending for regional language because they cannot afford. And all these people, most of them, who say this language, that you see their children study in best of the English school.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Candidates are coming up with creative ideas and tactics to attract the voters. Songs, star campaigners, and now a allotted symbol is being popularized in a creative way. Vijay Sardesai, an independent candidate from Fatarda, has started using his symbol in his own style. Have a look.
Independent candidate Vijay Sardesai's poll symbol is candle, and Vijay has made best use of his symbol. He has continued his door-to-door campaign with his candles. Vijay has termed it as a flame of revolution. Have a look.
In spite of the betrayal at the last minute, I am confident that after 10 years of darkness, we eventually will come last with the candle as a hope. I am confident that all sections of society from Fatarda will unite to usher in change and this flame of revolution against whatever that is bad in politics today, what we see, and against match fixing in politics, I think will begin from Fatarda.
Ex-Congress Mahila State Chief Monica Dias has backed Vijay Sardesai. She has blamed State Congress leaders for denying ticket to Vijay.
I don't try to blame High Command and the Congress Party. I try to blame the leaders of Goa. Kitak Madam Sonia ji sarkon news pauna because this is a fact that I had gone. Makai bhi duklale see how they have removed me without informing me as a Mahila Congress. 9 and 3 months and 18 days I have worked. Earlier 1993. If they don't want it Vijay, fine. They could have suggested Mama Cardozo's name. I am there who has never given me ticket.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
A flag march by the CRPF was conducted at various places in the state. 2 companies of the Central Reserve Police Force have been deployed in Goa to ensure fair and safe election. Flag march was conducted in all the sensitive constituencies like Taligaon, Santa Cruz, Chimbel, Usgaon, Vasco, Murgaon and Kuttari.
As assembly poll is nearing, security agencies are gearing up. Goa police had asked for 47 companies of Central Armed Forces. However, the Election Commission granted only 35. In all, 6 companies of CRPF, 5 of CISF, 8 of Punjab Armed Police, 10 of Punjab Home Guards, and 6 companies of Uttarakhand Armed Police are allotted in various police stations and polling booths in the state. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Wireless network has become a reason of concern from the security aspect. This was the main topic at the Nalkan International Conference on Information Security held at Vasco. The new security arrangements can reduce the risk like hacking and virus block.
Prime focus of this conference was to spread security awareness and provide a unified platform to consultants, security companies, security buyers and security professionals to share expert knowledge and experience.
Concern was that we found that there was a disconnect between the industry, the academia, the community and the government when it comes to security issues. So security issues being sensitive, a lot of people don't talk about it in the open. So therein we thought that if we want to connect all the organizations, we need to have a integrated platform where people can come up with their findings on what are the security issues they find on the internet.
Panelists raised question on the use of wireless network and mobile phones. The new security arrangement can reduce the risk like hacking and virus block.
Wireless security is being implemented in Goa also, like hotspots and all that. So wireless security is a major concern as of today, because if your wireless networks are open, anybody can access, send mails, and if there's a mail is sent and a police complaint is launched against the mails come from. So when during the course of investigation, if the IP address is, say, somebody whose wireless network is not is open, that person can be sued. So wireless concern is a major concern now. We do have plans to support Goa Police. Yes, we do have. In fact, we've already spoken, sent an application also. It's still under process, but I'm sure coming months they will get approved for trainings and setting up the lab.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.